Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine. I am your French coach. Comment ça va tout le monde? How is everybody? Today is a new episode and you're going to learn how to use I'm going to when to express the near future, such as I'm going to travel to Paris. All right, I am not traveling to Paris, but maybe you are, and if you are not, you're welcome to stay here and learn to speak French avec moi. As usual, you will find the transcript on the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com. In this episode, I added more verbs on the transcript. So go to the website and you'll find more resources. Alors, pour commencer, so to start, first, the verb is called aller in French. To go, aller. It's a irregular verb. What do we mean by irregular? It doesn't really follow a pattern. By pattern, I mean it has its own pattern, right? It's a bit of verb, but it's on its own frequency, I would say. Just like you won't find any other verbs in French that will sound and look the same. So that's a great news because when you use it, people cannot be confused with you trying to say something else. All right, so first, how are you going to use the verb aller to say I am going to or I go to, because we don't make a difference. You say je vais. Je vais. Not je, not vais. Je vais, the spelling is V-A-I-S. Je vais. Je vais means I'm going to or I go. Let's move on to using je vais plus infinitive for the near future in French. All right. Are you ready to speak French? I will be right back after this short break. Infinitive means when a verb is not conjugated, such as to eat, to see, to visit. In French, to make a sentence for the near future, you use je vais plus infinitive. The infinitive is at the end of French verbs, meaning that the ending of the French verb tells you if the verb is conjugated or not. We have three main endings in French. We have verbs ending in ER, verbs ending in IR, and verbs ending in RE. I know I'm getting a little too grammar here. Okay, so what do I mean? When you're going to say in English, I'm going to swim, in French we say je vais nager. If you want to say I'm going to sleep, je vais dormir. If you're going to say I'm going to answer, je vais répondre. All right, so do you understand how it works? It works just like in English. Now, again, one thing to remember, in French, we don't make the difference between I'm going to and I go to. On the website, I added more verbs, so please make sure to practice during the week and don't forget to train your brain in French to take 5 minutes, maybe every day, maybe every other day, to look around your environment, different places, different environment, and to train your brain to first remember what you see around you and then try to use verbs. And of course, you can use today's episode to practice. Great. All right, I hope you're having a good time, and I know you're terrific, and I hope someone told you this morning. If nobody has told you how terrific you are, It's a secret between you and me, and I know you're a great, amazing person. Merci, à bientôt, au revoir.